Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn on the autoplay on YouTube Kids. So if you want to let your kids watch YouTube Kids, watch videos on YouTube Kids, and you want to let them automatically play the next video, so this is how you can turn on the autoplay. So first, let's open the YouTube Kids apps, and here you can choose the profile, and after it's open you can just select the videos that you want to play. For example, I'm going to play this one. So just tap on the videos, and after the videos is open, you can just, here at the top of the video there will be the three dots icon that you can tap, and here at the top there is the autoplay setting. So you can see that the setting is currently off, the autoplay. So if you want to turn it on, just tap the autoplay and it will automatically on, just like that. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.